Having fun over this 76 Gremlin. This thing's a solid little piece. This is really cool. Looks like it might be a fresh, I'm not sure. Looks like a fresh build under the hood of the 258. Manual brakes, air conditioning, power steering. Fascinating. It's probably one of the last years of these girls. These have gotten so hot. Pop the bumper off and put a regular bumper on it, a real one. You can see it's pretty straight. I'm going to get off on the side over here. You can see it's nice and straight and solid. I can't get you a good shot, sorry, because it's pretty tight over here in the swap meet. Of course, it's been painted. You can see the little overspray there and stuff like that. You can see underneath though. Let's see if I can open the door. No, door's not opening. I'm not going to force it because I don't feel like buying it. It is pretty cool though, I have to admit. Again, it's a 76 Gremlin. Interesting the way how they put that patch panel down there. You can see the heads over there of the bulbs. Everything's right over here. Bell housing and such. The interior is pretty gutted, but it's there, folks. It is there. Let's see if it's originally, yep, it is a 3-pedal, originally a 3-pedal. You got the grille and all the front over there. Pretty neat. So how much do you think this girl is worth, eh? Again, 76 Gremlin. I like the alloy wheels on it. Let's see if this door, yes, this door will open. Good buckets. Wow. That's nice. That is nice. Good door panels. Solid closing. Not bad at all. The rockers have been done already. There's been work on this side, but I'll take it. It's not a pristine job, but it's a very good job. Excellent driver. They are asking, drum roll please, $6,500, but they're open to offers, and depending on how cold it is, let's see what we can negotiate over here. In fact, if you slip them $200, he'll get it for you for $6,000. What do you think, folks? Let's continue on.